Hi darlings, welcome to my new History of Makeup Magic series. I have decoded some of the most iconic eras in beauty history so you can create timeless makeup magic today and every day. I can't wait to see you all try these looks at home. And don't forget to subscribe, darlings. You don't want to miss this. Darlings, today we're going back to the euphoric decade of the 70s. My talented pro artist Kelechi will show you how to create this magnetic 70s glam that's so worthy of a night at Studio 54. I love using my Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer to create a 70s inspired look because it just sculpts, lifts and bronzes in seconds. To create dazzling emerald disco eyes, use my Eye Color Magic Liner Duo in shade Green Lights to sketch a V shape onto the outer corner of the eye. Then blend with a smudger brush to diffuse the line for a gorgeous green gaze. For golden eyes that mesmerize, dot my Spotlight Beauty Light wand in the center of the eye and blend out with a brush. This reflects the light like a disco ball. Next, apply the iridescent prime shade in my Rebel Luxury palette across the eyelid to gild the eyes in rich golden glow. To finish the look, dot my Beauty Light wand on the high points of the face for disco cheekbones that glow forever. And as I always say, darlings, it's 1 dot for day and 2 dots for disco. This is So Studio 54. I love it. Darlings, thank you so much for tuning in. You can shop this look on charlottetilbury.com and my Charlotte Tilbury app. Thanks for watching, darlings.